What's up, guys? Man Trader here, and today, right now, we're in the midst of battle. We are looking at SPEV here. We're gonna be day trading a little bit, so we'll just get right into it. This is all live, so if it ever does get like doled out, just try and hang in there. Just because this, if you guys are interested in day trading, this is what it's gonna be like to day trade. Sometimes the moves are slow, sometimes they're faster. We're looking here on my right hand side. This is going to be XPEV. We're going to be shorting this. As you can see, I already took a short here and sold here. So right now we want this to pop up. We want to reshort this at 12.13 here. So we'll just keep it, just going to keep it rolling here. XPV. So basically, it's had support on here, and then it broke, so we're thinking shorting in the 12.13 for the follow through, because normally when support breaks, it becomes resistance. So that's what we're hoping for. So we want 12.13. And this one on my left hand side, this is the SPY. So in case you guys don't know, I use the SPY as just as like to help me out, like what the market overall is doing. If I see the SPY is pulling back, most likely the stock that I'm trading might pull back. So I just use it as like a indicator for me to find out what would be a good course of action. So we'll see right now. But currently, XPEV. Looking like it might pull back a little bit. I still want to wait to 12.13. That's just what I feel comfortable with. 12.13. The reason why I'm taking this trade, or I took this trade, is because it's under VWAP. You could see that I have clear risk. I have a clear risk, so if it breaks those, I know where to get out. I had a risk here. It didn't reach it, and I was able to profit on that. So right now we're just going to wait for 12.13. I just want to make sure I'm being patient, because I think it's going to squeeze up just because it had a lot of downward momentum. I think some people want to start covering here. So I think at 12.13, I think that's where I want to take the trade. Big red candle here. Okay. Still want to get a little bit higher. Want a big green candle up, and then short into that the big green candle here. And we're gonna do like about 500 shares. But I'm really hoping it goes up here in this area. I wouldn't mind if it breaks here, keep shorting it, but this would be the line in the sand. This is where I'm going to have to exit the position if it breaks here. So right now, I just want a bigger move. It's right here to 42.13. So we're going to keep it rolling, see what it does. But hopefully I can capture this trade live for you guys. We'll pull up Lux Algo here. See what Lux Algo says, so we could take a look at that. Let's see. Let's put it in for you guys. Lux Algo here. This is what it has it at. You can see right here, went up here, sold here, bouncing here. We're currently right here. So you can see there's still room to run here. On the back end, about $52 cents. But yeah, I think right now we don't want it to go above the 50 day moving average. So 42.33 is where it has it at. 42.33. We'll go back to center point. 42.33 would be, let's see, let me just draw that in. 52.33, right? This area. So this is what we want here. We do want this push up here, but I just want a little bit more. I want 42.13. So we're gonna let it keep going, and then we're gonna get ready to short here. It's making its way up. Hopefully it can squeeze some people out and for me to re-short it in. It's at 42. There it comes. I'm gonna actually take it right here. Have 500 there. I'm okay re-adding here. Right now I'm up $25 on the position. Overall I'm up 111 on the overall ticker. So right now we're just gonna see what it wants to do. I don't mind re-adding here. Wash out this wash, and next point's gonna be here. If it could sell off in the 41.62, it's gonna benefit us. But overall, I feel pretty good about the trade. I mean, we didn't sell in this area. We waited for this push up here. So now we're just gonna see what it wants to do. If it has the strength to get above that. This is, I think, is we're gonna meet resistance here. Hits right there. Coming resistance. And didn't break. So that's just gonna flush out. Overall, I feel pretty good about the trade. Even if it moves up here in this area, I'm willing to re-add. So I want to re-add here, as long as it doesn't break VWAP. If it breaks VWAP, then I'm gonna cut the position. But all this is fair game. I think it's still gonna go down. So see what happens. So you can see here what I called the support turn to resistance. That's exactly what we saw. Now we're just hoping for a flush out here in this area. It might try and retest the 413 again. We'll see if it can pull that through. But I am looking. I wouldn't mind re-adding to the position. Let's try again. Broke a little bit, but not enough force. And I don't want to re-add here, even though I feel like it's going to be resistance. I really want to move higher, just so it could be a little bit overextended. As you can see here, it just didn't have enough momentum to break that. And even if it does, I want to add somewhere in this area. I don't want to really play on the resistance. You can see here, SPY is selling off, so it's really good news for us. It looks like it's going to potentially flush out. Overall market is selling off, so we always want to see this correlate with this. We're okay if it breaks out here. We just want a little bit more in this area, but still couldn't. Right now we have, so we'll see what it wants to do. If it can break here, test this area, we're gonna have a good trade on our hands. You can see here, tried 3 times and it still hasn't been able to break in this area. And there's the break. Starting to break, starting to get in the green. Up 20, 40. It's right now it's selling off. Even the SPY right here, we could see it was selling off. Right now we're up 50. Right here we could sell, but I feel really comfortable with the position. We have our risk here. I think this is going to be our new risk if it breaks here. We just wanted to get a little bit lower. Probably sell off a little bit more. We also don't want to be greedy here. We want to just let the market give us this. But I just feel comfortable with it. It's under VWAP. We want to short this. We know where the trend's going in this area, downward. But let's see. We do want to cover into any weakness. So I really want this area, the 41.62, if it can break. Right now we're up 70. So again, if it's feels a little bit longer for you guys, just realize that if you guys are interested in day trading, that this is going to be the norm. So just try and embrace the video, try and go work through it, just because this would be you guys in this position. So also make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff. It really helps me out. Right now we're up 110 and it's starting to sell off here. We want to sell off into this panic right here. I think go under 41.62. Right up, we're up 120, 130. A lot of downward pressure. If we can really want to sell off here in the 162. The SPY is actually pulling back, so I might want to take some off the table here. Probably do 250. Let's do 5. I have 500 shares in. I really want the sell off here. Hopefully it can correlate here, but it looks like it's going to pull back. So I might take the position off here. Let's see, 140. I'm going to take it off right there. So you could see, took off the position, and it was a winning trade. I think it was like about 140 or so, but you guys were able to see the idea behind it. Sold here, short sold, covered here. It might go lower, but yeah, just pretty much good trade overall. And I'm not going to keep it going, the video. Just want to make sure I capture the trade at least for you guys. But I might continue to trade the stock right here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and you guys have a good one. Take care.